and this is our third protocol, mainly for the people of despondent category above 60 years of age. And this whole protocol has been divided into 6 parts. Every part should be repeated in the one day, one part. So likewise 6 days, 6 parts. And then next week also we have to repeat the same schedule. So let us start with the first part. And our practice start with the prayer, Adaf Chin Mudra, 3 Omkars together. नमस्कार मुद्रा। ओम सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। Drop the hands down and let us start our practices with micro exercises. सूक्ष्म व्यायाम के साथ में अभ्यास को शुरू करेंगे। पहला प्रैक्टिस फिंगर स्ट्रेंथनिंग, अंगुली शक्ति विकास का। दोनों हाथ सामने लीजिए, स्ट्रेच योर हैंड फॉरवर्ड. Now inhale and twist your palm, tight your feet. Exhale and stretch your fingers out. Inhale and tight, exhale and stretch it out. Do it along with the breathing, maybe 5 to 10 times, and then stop. Relax for a while till you feel relaxation in your fingers and wrist joint. Second exercise, wrist joint movement. Raise your hand forward, fist your palms, thumb inside, toes outside. And now rotate your wrist clockwise 5 to 10 times, and then anti-clockwise 5 to 10 times with normal breathing. सांस को सामान्य रखिए, रीढ़ की हड्डी को सीधा रखिए और sit relaxedly. After 5 to 10 times over, relax. Cool down the system. The next practice is upper arm strengthening, भुजा शक्ति विकास का. दोनों हाथ कंधों पर रखिए. Keep the palms on your shoulders. This is a zero position. And now inhale and stretch it forward. Exhale back on your shoulders. So inhale and stretch. Exhale and on your shoulders back. Repeat it 5 to 10 times and stop for a while. थोड़ा रुक जाइए. And then second level, horizontal. Again place the palms on the shoulders. Now inhale and stretch it out. Exhale and fold it. And repeat it 5 to 10 times with inhalation and exhalation. And then relax for a while. And now vertical level, again place your palms on the shoulders. And now inhale and stretch up. Exhale and down. Inhale and up. Exhale and down. Inhale up, exhale down, 5 to 10 times, repeat it, and then relax. Pull down the system. Next practice, shoulder movement. Keep the palms on your thighs. Sit erect. Now inhale and raise your shoulders up. Exhale and down. Inhale up, exhale down, and repeat it 5 to 10 times. Inhale up, exhale down, and stop it. Just be in the same position for a while. And now back and front, stretch it. Inhale and stretch your shoulders back. Exhale and stretch it forward. And repeat 5 to 10 times. Inhale and take the shoulders back and stretch it. Exhale, bring the shoulders forward and stretch it from back side. And repeat it 5 to 10 times. Relax. उसके बाद आराम करें. And third type is rotation of shoulders. Rotate your shoulder clockwise 5 to 10 times and then anti-clockwise 5 to 10 times with normal breathing. सामान्य श्वसन के साथ में इस रोटेशन को कंप्लीट करना है. 5 से 10 बार क्लॉकवाइज और 5 से 10 बार एंटी क्लॉकवाइज एंड देन रिलैक्स. नेक्स्ट प्रैक्टिस इज द नेक मूवमेंट. सीधा बैठना है, बिल्कुल गर्दन सीधी, रीढ़ की हड्डी सीधी, घुटनों को समांतर रखिए, पैरेलल टू ईच अदर. Now inhale and take your neck back, bend your neck back. Exhale and bend it forward. And repeat it 5 times. जिनका नेक पेन है वो लोग गर्दन को सामने नहीं झुकाना है. Those who are having a neck pain should not bend it forward. They have to keep the neck only straight and bend back. So this is 5 times. And then stop for a while. And next variation is right and left bending. First inhale, exhale and bend to right. Inhale and come straight. Exhale and bend to left. Inhale and come straight. And repeat it 5 rounds. Right and left together is 1 round. After 5 rounds over, stop the practice. And now next is the twisting. First inhale, सांस लीजिए गहराई. Exhale and twist your neck to right side. Look over the right shoulder. Inhale and come forward. Exhale and twist to left side. Come forward. Keep your chin parallel to ground when you are twisting it up. So repeat it 5 times with slowly. बिल्कुल आराम से, धीरे से सांस को छोड़ते समय ट्विस्ट करना है और लेते समय सामने आना है. And after 5 rounds, stop the practice. And relax for a while. थोड़ा समय आराम करें. We'll do 3 times makar sound. Inhale deeply. Feel the resonance of makar in the upper part of your body. And repeat this makar 3 times. And next we'll do pranayama practice. In pranayama, we'll start with the single nostril kapalabhati. Keep straight. Close your right nostril. दाहिनी नासिका बंद करना है. Left, close the right nostril. And left nostril से कपालभाति करेंगे. Forceful exhalation and passive inhalation. 10 strokes. Start with. And stop it. After 10 strokes, आंखें बंद रखिए. And now close the left nostril with using the last 2 fingers of your right palm. Close the left nostril. Kapalbhati through right nostril, 10 strokes. And stop it after 10 strokes. Relax करो, थोड़ा समय आराम करें. And once again, one can repeat for 10 strokes right nostril and then the 10 strokes left nostril. After that, relax for a while. थोड़ा समय आराम करना है. And the next practice is the Sukha Pranayam. Simple, slow and deep breathing. Inhale slowly and exhale smoothly. Keep the palms in the Chin Mudra. गहरी सांस लेना है और गहरी सांस को छोड़ना है. आंखें बंद रखेंगे. Inhale slowly and deeply and smoothly. Exhale slowly, smoothly and deeply. And repeat this slow, smooth and deep breathing as per your own capacity for 1 minute. After complete exhalation, keep the eyes closed and feel the beautiful relaxing effect of the practice on your system. Recognize the relaxation and repeat our sankalpa. I am completely healthy and happy. ये संकल्प को अपनी अपनी भाषा में 5 बार गहरी श्रद्धा के साथ रिपीट करना है. मैं पूर्णतः स्वस्थ एवं आनंदी हूँ. Now join the hands together and we'll close the day today. Namaskar Mudra. सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः. सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः. सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु. मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्. ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः.